Welcome to another episode of Air Traffic Out of Control, the podcast bringing you the best, most interesting, and most outrageous air traffic control recordings, right from the tower to your ears. I'm your host, Amy Tango Charlie. In this episode, a flight shortly after leaving Los Angeles Airport is struck in the right engine by a bird, causing an immediate emergency landing. Let's listen in.
Number 2606-12409 RNAV to Delray, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV Delray, 24 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 2606. Tower, Delta 2606, we hit a bird on departure. It looks like it might be in our number 2 engine. We need to declare an emergency and return.
Delta 2606, roger, maintain 2000.
Maintain 2000, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, contact SOC at departure 125.2 for vectors back to the airport.
Okay, contact departure 125, was that 125.2 for Delta 2606?
52.
12552, Delta 2606, emergency.
252, Delta 2606.
Sorry about that, 252, Delta 2606, yeah.
Delta 2606, SoCal.
JetBlue 388, LA Tower.
JetBlue 388.
And the previous departure had a bird strike up one. I'm not sure exactly where it happened, but I'd like to get a runway sweep for 5 before we roll you.
Understood, JetBlue 388, thanks.
City operations, LA Tower.
Delta 2606, SoCal.
Yeah, we're here for Delta 2606 emergency. We're level about 21, going back down to 2000.
Okay, Delta 2606, roger. Understand you just want to return as quickly as possible.
Affirm for Delta 2606.
Okay, 2606, you're cleared back to Los Angeles via radar vectors for now. Are you able to climb? You have to see it too.
No, we can climb for Delta 2606.
I'm going to maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, when you're able, say how many people are on board and fuel.
We have 100 souls on board and about 4 hours of fuel, Delta 2606 emergency.
You'd maintain 4,000 for me, please, 4,000.
Is that 4,000 for Delta 2606?
Delta 2606, affirmative. Maintain 4,000.
Okay, up to 4,000, Delta 2606 emergency. And do you just want runway heading right now, Delta 2606? We're still on
2606, affirmative. Expect vectors for runway 24 right.
Okay, we'll fly runway heading right now and vectors for 24 right, Delta 2606 emergency.
And Delta 2606, I'll have that turn north on for you here shortly, just waiting for us to clear some MVAs.
Okay, thank you, Delta 2606.
Tower, JetBlue 388.
JetBlue 388.
If it works for you all, we can accept 24 right.
And JetBlue 388, just stand by.
Standing by.
Delta 2606, turn right, right turn, heading 020.
Right turn 020, Delta 2606.
Delta 715 Heavy.
715 Heavy, go ahead.
Delta 715 Heavy, hold short of Delta 8. Plan on 25 right departure most likely. I'll let you know.
Alright, hold short Delta 8, roger, Delta 715. Heavy.
JetBlue 388, we're going to take you to 25 right for departure. On runway 24 left, turn left and then taxi via 24 left to Romeo and then right turn onto Echo.
Alright, 24 left, Romeo, Echo, JetBlue 388.
Delta 2606, turn right, heading 050.
Right turn 050, Delta 2606.
ARF1, be advised, Delta 2606, the emergency aircraft notified tower that it was the number 2 engine that got hit by the bird strike when they were upwind.
Copy that. Number 2 engine hit by the bird strike.
2606, turn right heading 070.
Right turn 070, Delta 20.
Delta 2606, there's traffic out there. It's 1 o'clock and 5 miles southeast, south 5,000 at Cirrus. Additional aircraft beyond them, 11 to 12 o'clock, 5 miles southeast, on 3,600 feet, types unknown.
Okay, we'll be searching for traffic, Delta 2606.
Delta 2606, are you able to speed 210?
We are able to speed 210, Delta 2606.
Okay, Delta 2606, update on that VFR traffic, 12:30 to 1 o'clock and 3 miles southeastbound, 3,700 feet now. Again, type is unknown.
Okay, copy. Can we climb for Delta 2606?
Delta 2606, affirmative. You can climb and maintain 5,000 for that traffic.
Let me maintain 5,000, Delta 2606.
LA Alaska 1315 is 2,000, climb wave for 5.
Alaska 1315, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 8,000.
8,000, Alaska 1315.
We have that traffic in sight now, Delta 2606.
Okay, Delta 2606, that's fine. If you're able to maintain 4,000, that's fine. Contact approach on 128.5.
Okay, we'll go back down to 4,000, approach 128.5, Delta 2606. Approach Delta 2606 emergency, we're about 4,300 descending down to 4,000, speed 210 on a heading of 070, vectors back to return.
Delta 2606, okay, roger. State type approach requesting, and how long of a final you need?
We'll probably need about a 15-ish mile final, and then we'd like the vectors for the ILS or visual 24 right. If we can turn in early, we'll let you know, but we just got to get set up for the approach still.
2606, roger. Expect visual approach runway 24 right, reduce speed to 180.
Okay, visual 18 right, reduce speed 180, Delta 2606.
2606, runway 24 right.
Sorry about that, 24 right and reducing speed 180, Delta 2606.
Delta 2820, maintain 180 knots to Kobe till, or 180 to Kobe and contact tower 133.9, take care.
180 to Kobe, 1239 there, that's right. You take care.
Delta 2606, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, an Embraer above you, 5,000, report traffic in sight, I'll turn them in front of you since you need a longer final.
Okay, searching for traffic, Delta 2606 emergency.
Delta 2606, contact LA Tower 127.85. Delta 2606, Tower 2785.
Tower 2785, Delta 2606. Approach, can you say tower frequency again, Delta 2606?
2785.
2785, thanks, Delta 2606.
Roger, 949, there's an emergency in front of you. I need to resequence you. I'll put you back on the north downwind.
Okay.
Tower, Delta 2606, Kobe, visual 24 right. So 2606 LA Tower, wind 2109, runway 24 right, clear to land. ARF vehicles are also standing by on frequency and you can communicate directly to them.
Okay, 24 right, clear to land, Delta 2606.
ARF 1 emergency aircraft next to land.
LA Tower, ARF1, copy, emergency aircraft next to land.
That's all for this episode of Air Traffic Out of Control. Remember, if you love the show, Please tell a friend and be sure to follow or subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, X, so you don't miss any of our updates. There's a link in the show notes. Thanks for joining us on board today. Until next time.